Okay guys, so last time we had done our chapter number 4, set A and set B. In set A, we have done expansion versus stability. In set B, we have done different types of expansion. Are they correct? Yes or no? We had done what? Different types of. So there are n number of types of expansion. Now we are doing with set C. Even this is a part of chapter number 4, but today I will show you, like, at the end of the day, very important related things about case studies. But first we are focusing on set C, retrenchment. Now listen, full set, if you see, there are many star mark questions and hash mark questions which comes for 2, 4, 5 marks, etc. Very important from case study point of view. Listen it very carefully. Now see here, don't flip any page, just listen as of now. Strategic exit. Strategic, yes, exit. Now listen, retrenchment. Retrenchment means what? Reducing the scope. Reducing the scope means if you are doing n number of things, try to reduce little bit and concentrate on your current activity. That is retrenchment. Retrenchment also means give one more try. Are you getting my point? So listen here. Retrenchment means reducing the scope. Now listen, very important thing, basic things. We have already done this thing prior, so listen here. Now, suppose for example, Lakshya, I am in Lakshya right now. So Lakshya having 4 business. 1, Lakshya coaching. Correct? 1, Lakshya reading room. 1, Lakshya school. And Oyo. Now listen, intentionally Oyo, so you will remember. Coaching plus 10 rupees plus. This is business A. Business B, reading room plus 5 rupees plus. Business C, school plus 3 rupees plus. Business D, minus 20 rupees. Are you getting my point? So if you see entire business, say Lakshya, or entire business, if you see, it's minus how much? Minus 2 rupees. Correct? Loud. So if I want to make it into plus, or if I want to do something, there are 3 methods, 3 ways. Retrenchment. Listen, very important. First is this business D is minus 20 rupees. So use turnaround strategy for business D. Turnaround means what? Rather than completely shutting down that business D, give one more try to business D. Give one more try to business D. That is minus 20 rupees. Give one more try to business D. That is called as turn around. Turn around means what? Reverse the process of decline. Reverse the process of try to improve internal efficiencies. Try to improve. Now listen. I have tried turnaround, but still my business D is in loss. Still loss. So what I will do? I will remove this part. Means I will remove this part out. So it will become divestment. Divestment means what? Listen here, very simple. Sell part of. Sell because that part was not working properly. We tried turnaround. See, first we will save our business. First we will try to save our business D. Tried everything. Not working. Then what we will do? Sell that particular part. Part of sell. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? After divestment, now if I remove this business D, ultimately my business will come into profit 18 rupees. Are you getting my point? So don't think like that if we stop one thing that we have already started, so don't think like that it is like bad impression in the market. No, it is good for your company. If your company will make some profit, then your company will give returns to the shareholders. Are you getting my point? So divestment is also one part of integral, very important, integral part of corporate level strategy. Are you getting my point? I can't hear. Okay. Now next, listen, very important. After doing divestment also, still my entire business is in loss because other business also in loss. Consider like that. Liquidation. A dead is more worth than alive. Means a person on ventilator struggling to take oxygen. Struggling. And per day hospital expense 10,000 rupees. Person very old age, 90 plus. What we will pray to God? We will pray to God, please take that person because we can't see the struggle. It's better take. A dead is more worth than alive, then liquidation is the option. Now in your exam, case studies, many things comes. They ask question answers, case studies, n number of things. So listen here. So now, retrenchment means what? Loud. Reducing scope. Very important is reducing the scope. Now listen here. Now retrenchment has three types, three methods. First I told you, turn around. Second and third, liquidation. Understood? Understood? First what we will try? First we will try for turn around. For which part? A, B, C or D? D part. Then what we will try? Which part? D. Then full business. Understanding? Yes or no? Now listen. Now first we will do liquidation. We will start from the worst. I always think the worst part first. Whenever you start anything, think the worst, what will happen? Because after thinking the worst, one drop will be the best. Are you getting my point? So listen here. Liquidation. First point, don't write anything, just listen. Where to write, I will tell you. Most extreme, most extreme, because no one likes to go to liquidation strategy. Most and most. unattractive is liquidation. Most extreme, most unattractive is liquidation. Loss. Because of liquidation, two loss. Loss of employment, correct? We will shut down our business, our employees, and our even including us, employment out, and loss of opportunities, loss of employment. Very important. Closing down firm and selling asset. Are they correct? Correct. Very important. Abandon activities totally. Totally, we are abandon all the activities. Very important. Dead is more worth than alive. This is more than, greater than said. Dead is more worth than. Then go for. And last point. Tell with me. Last point. Last point. Last resort. So this is the last resort where the company will think what to do. Correct? Yes. Liquidation done. Only this much. Now you know what? In your new syllabus book, liquidation strategy is missing. Means they had just given one line and some basic 2-line meaning. This answer is there. I have took this answer from your old syllabus, in which liquidation strategy is mentioned there properly. So if tomorrow any amendment comes, so we are ready with it. Are you getting my point? And even you can write this thing, because both are from ICAI material only. Correct. Repeat after me. Liquidation. Most extreme. Most unattractive. Loss of employment. Loss of opportunity. Closing down firm and selling its asset. Abandon the activities totally. A dead is more worth than alive. Last resort. Correct. Yes or no? Sure. Now listen here. Now listen, very important. Now how to write? Again, take a book and a pen, proper fresh page, starting from left to right. Give heading chapter 4, main work, fast. And above the margin, retrenchment. And I will tell you when to write what. Why are you flipping one pages? Now listen, retrenchment. Turn around, you will write in L1. L1, I hope you know it now. Divestment, you will write in R1. R1. And liquidation, you will write in R2. Done? Can't hear. Now, liquidation. Listen it very properly. Liquidation. In R2, write point number 1 and 2, write like this only. Most two arrow, extreme and unattractive. Loss two arrow. What is the loss? Of employment and opportunities. Done. Point number 5, closing down firm and selling asset. Point number 6, abandon activities totally. Abandon activities totally. Point number 7, dead is more worth than alive. Point number 8, last resort. Done. No reply. Loud. Good. Liquidation done. Now don't write. Keep your pen down. Now listen, very important. Now listen. Now we will do turnaround. Listen first. First point, turnaround. Turnaround means improving internal efficiencies. See, I am telling you one thing. Our business A, B, C, D. D is not working. D is minus 20, correct? So first we will try to save our business. So first we will try to do some internal changes. We will try to improve internal efficiencies. Correct? We will try to save our business. We will try to do some internal improvement. We will try to do some internal efficiencies, internal improvement. So what is turnaround? Improving internal efficiencies, improving. Second, turnaround means what? If you are improving internal efficiencies, so it will reverse the process of decline. This is reverse. Reverse the process of. So your loss making unit may show sign of profit. You may get good return on investment. Correct? And you are back on your track. Correct? Improving internal efficiencies. Now turnaround has two questions. This was the meaning introduction. First, danger signal of turnaround. Second, elements of turnaround. elements, danger signals and elements. Elements means solution of danger signal. Now, what are the danger signals? Now, this comes in case studies. Like they will be giving you some danger signals. Okay. Are you getting my point? So, you have to identify that this is turn around. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Okay. Now, what are the danger signals of turnaround? I mean, these are the danger signals. If you found these danger signals in any company, you as a strategic consultant, you can advise them that your company require loud. Now listen, first danger signal. See, I am telling you, A, B, C, D. D is OYO, minus 20 rupees. Continuously, OYO is in loss. Listen first, is in loss. Why OYO is in loss? Because 24/7 or Lakshya, we are into education industry. Which industry? Coaching is education industry. Reading room education industry. School education industry. Is OYO education industry? Uncompetitive product. What I told? So, in your A, B, C, D, one product is very uncompetitive. One product is very. So, because of that uncompetitive product, we are facing problems. So, that these are the danger signals. Are you getting my point? The first point is uncompetitive product. Don't write anything. Uncompetitive product. Now, second point, very easy. Persistent negative cash flow. Persistent negative cash flow. Do like this. Yes. Persistent negative cash flow means what? Listen here. Listen here. Listen here. What is persistent negative cash flow? Loss? No. Lot of cash outgoing is more than incoming. Unwanted negative cash flow. Are you getting my point? So, what you suggest to that company? Can't hear. Turn around strategy. Third point, very important. Uncompetitive product, persistent negative cash flow. Now, can you see in here, AC is there, projector is there, laptop is there. There are like many physical facilities available. But example, suppose AC is not working. Suppose laptop is not very good, projector is not working. And I am telling these coaching class people, please do something. And they are not also willing to do something. Their physical facilities are deteriorating. Deterioration in physical. So, deterioration in physical facilities, that means it is a symbol that they are not interested in this current business. Use dash. So, deterioration in physical facilities. You will write full later. Are you correct? Point number 4, 5. Listen, very important. Now, there are employees in our company. So, employee has 3 points. Employee high turnover. Turnover means what? Employee leaving the company, joining, leaving, joining, leaving. Turnover is very high. Are you correct? Low morale and overstaffing. Means we require 2 staff and we are having 12 staff. Overstaffing, unnecessary activities. Low morale, they are thinking themselves very low, and turnover is very high. That means this company require what? Loud. Turn around strategy. 5th point. There is a lot of mismanagement. there is a lot of mismanagement. That means this company requires turnaround. So what are the danger signals of turnaround? Persistent negative cash flow, uncompetitive products, deterioration in physical facilities, employee turnover of high, overstaffing, low morale, mismanagement. One more point. Loud. Yes. Market share is declining. Like earlier, I was having 100 students in my class. Next attempt, I got 90. Further, 80, 60, 70, 60, 50, 40. My market share is declining. Are you getting my point? So point number 6, decline in market share. So if you found these danger signals in any of the company, what you will suggest that company? Turnaround strategy. Very important setup. 4 marks sure short question. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Hindi. Yes or no? Now listen here. Elements of turnaround. Now, first point, very easy. See, I am telling you. Listen, listen, listen. What is the problem here? Loud. Mismanagement is the big problem. So, see, why mismanagement is the problem? See, sometimes what happens, company is making loss because of the management decisions. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? So, because of some mismanagement activities, the company is making loss. What is the solution? Change in top management. Change in. Understood? Now listen, the second point, very important. See here. Improving internal efficiencies. Yes or no? Improving internal efficiencies. That means we have to improve our internal things more better. So same thing here. Improving internal coordination. Improving internal. Your internal coordination, your communication should be very good. Third point, very easy, very important. Now see, we are having problem of what? Outflow of money is more. So listen for this third point. Sell asset. Sell your asset to generate cash. Don't take additional loan. Sell your asset, get cash and do whatever you want to do with that cash. But don't take loan because you are already outflow is more. Are you correct? Fourth, fifth. Focus on revenue generation. Focus on revenue. You should focus on revenue generation. Focus on revenue. Yes, only one point. So focus on revenue generation. Quick, there are 2 points. Quick. Yes. So you have to focus on generating the revenue. See, rather than focusing on expenses, of course, you have to do that also. But focus on where income can get. And quick payoff activities. Payoff activities means what, If you had done work for someone, give them money quickly. If someone had done work for you, pay them quickly. No unnecessary debtors and creditors. If you will be having cash in hand, then you can do n number of things. Are you getting my point? Next, quick cost reduction. Try to reduce cost. Are you getting my point? 6 points element. We are doing only 6 points. Understood? Yes. Understood? Repeat after me. Turn around. Improving internal efficiencies. Reverse the process of decline. जो भी मैं कहूं तुझे लगता है क्यों गलत. Palat. Palat means what? Then reverse. Then reverse the process of decline. So what are the danger signals I am telling you? Uncompetitive product. Uncompetitive, persistent negative, deterioration in physical, employee turnover high, overstaffing, low morale, mismanagement, and decline in market elements. Change in improving internal, sell asset generate, focus on revenue, quick payoff activity, and quick cost reduction methods. Correct? Correct. Okay. This you will write L1. This you will write L2. Correct. Write super fast. Done? No reply. Okay. Danger signal elements of turnaround. Uncompetitive product, persistent negative cash flow, deterioration in physical facilities, employee turnover high, overstaffing, low morale, mismanagement, decline in market share, element, change in top management, improving internal coordination, sell asset generate cash, focus on revenue generation, quick payoff and cost reduction methods. What to do? Not working. Done. Now listen here. Now listen, little bit tricky. See, here mismanagement. Can you see this? Make here #1. Why? So you will remember here #1 that there is a solution of change in top management. Do #1. Hashtag. Next, can you see this? No reply. Okay. #2. #2. Now, this #3. So here through this we can get cash. Loud. Done. Now listen here. Now what we had done? Turnaround done, liquidation done. Correct? Now divestment. Listener, don't write anything. First point. Pen down. Ready? Divestment. Sell part of A, B, C, D. Are we selling entire ABC? Only sell part of. Correct? Correct? Major portion. Or you can also tell or unit. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Second point. Divestment is a part of rehabilitation or restructuring. Now what does these two meaning? Listen. Part of rehab or restructure. First I will talk about rehab. Now what is the meaning of rehab? Like a person having some habit, bad habit, and actually that person is, I will tell, rather than bad habit, I will tell it is a disease. If a person is every day smoking, it's a habit, of course, yes, but now it is a kind of disease which is not going from him. So we will try to put that person in rehab. Drinking person, rehab. Are you getting my point? Rehab. Are you getting my point? So rehab, what they do, they try to make the mind of the person that these things are bad, and they try to divert the person from this particular thing to other things. So rehab means what, you know, like Oyo minus 20 rupees. We have to divest. Now all the people here, in the employees, staff, managers, top levels, we have to tell them that we are closing this business. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Restructuring means what? Now listen. Earlier it was square. Now if I remove this part, this will become triangle. Not understood? One business, two business, three business. So restructuring means what? You know, restructuring. Restructuring means very simple. Your entire structure gets changes. Earlier you might follow divisional structure because you were having multiple divisional. Now you remove one division. Now you are again back to functional structure. Possible? Chapter number 5, it will come there. So restructuring means what? Like the entire structure will get changed because we are closing our one business. So there might be shifting of staff from one to another. There might be changes in management and everything, etc. Correct? Yes. Loud? Yes. Now listen. Now, reasons of divestment. Reasons. First, very simple. Same point. Persistent negative cash flow. Persistent negative cash flow from one portion of the business. Continuous outgoing of cash is more from part D. Correct? Yes. Correct? Yes. Second, mismatch. What mismatch? Acquired business is mismatch. Like Lakshya or 24/7. Let us take example of my class. 24/7. We acquired OYO. Now we are in education and we are acquiring hotel industry. Acquired business is mismatch, not integrated with the current company's portfolio. It's better to first what we will try, then sometimes turnaround may even be ignored if divestment is the only solution. Getting my point? Yes, yes or no? Yes. Third point, very important. Now you can use the space of liquidation because liquidation is done. Are you getting my point? Third point. Now listen up. Persistent negative cash flow mismatch. There is a lot of competition but cannot cope with competition. Cannot cope with competition means what, you know? There's a lot of competition in education industry. Consider like that. My coaching class not doing good, it's better to divest. Or there's a lot of competition in hotel industry and we are not doing good, it's better to divest. Are you correct? Yes or no? Yes. Fourth, technology upgradation require. What require? But unable to do it, but cannot able to do it. Are you correct? Because of poor cash, etc. There can be many reasons. Like I am telling you, there are certain banks in India still they don't have their online website. They don't have their app also. Still people goes to bank to ask for account balance. Very traditional bank. Now if they will not upgrade technology, will new generation will go to bank for account balance asking? Technology upgradation require, even in your studies also require. If not, out. Technology upgradation require but cannot able to do it. And fifth, very important. Now, divest means what? A, B, C, D, I am just removing my money from that D part because it is in loss. Because I found another better alternative for investment. A better alternative available for investment, it's better to divest. Remove money from one part, invest in other part. So better alternative available for investment. What to do? I can't hear. Every break is in my hand. Understanding na? What to do? Very good. Repeat. Reasons. Persistent negative cash flow. Acquired business mismatch. Cannot cope with competition. Cannot cope with competition. Technology upgradation required but cannot able to do it. Better alternative available for investment. it's better to divest. Now, last part. Characteristics of divestment. Characteristics of only 2 points. First, sell part of divestment meaning, correct? And integral part of corporate strategy. This point I will explain you later when I will show you the hierarchy. Did I show you the hierarchy? No, na? I will be. Very important. Integral part of corporate strategy. See, even divestment is a part of strategy. It is a strategy. Sometimes if we close something, it doesn't mean that we lost the war. We just lost the battle. War is still on. Are you getting my point? Loud. So, in R1, you will write about divestment. Fast. Sell, 4 arrow. Done. First point. Very good. Second point. Done. First point done. Second, reasons. Persistent negative cash flow, acquired business mismatch, cannot cope with competition, technology upgradation required but unable to do it, and better alternative available for investment. I am removing my money from one portion and investing it another part. Reason, first point done. Second, okay, no break. Third, characteristics. Sell part of integral part of corporate strategy. Integral part of corporate strategy. Very, very important answer. Done? No reply. Okay. Now listen here. Now just repeat after me. Retrenchment. See, it is also called in our new syllabus, it is also called as strategic exit. I will give you all the hierarchies, don't worry. Just first listen. Strategic exit. Exit means what? Out. So there are three methods of exiting, but here reducing the scope is the proper, and retrenchment giving one more try. Are you correct? Now repeat after me. Retrenchment, turn around, divestment, liquidation, improving internal efficiencies. Do like this. Improving internal efficiencies. Reverse the process of decline. Danger signals. Uncompetitive product. Persistent negative cash flow. Deterioration in physical facilities. Employee turnover high. Overstaffing. Low morale. Mismanagement. Decline in market share. Change in top management. Improving internal coordination. Sell asset, get cash. Focus on revenue generation. Quickly pay money, quick payoff activities. Cost reduction. Divestment. Sell part of. Major portion. Division. Unit. Part of dash or dash. Reasons. Persistent negative. Acquired business. Cannot cope with. Technology upgradation required but no. And better alternative available for. Sale part of integral part of corporate strategy. Correct? Liquidation. Most dash and dash. Loss of dash and dash. Closing down firm and selling dash. Abandon activities. Dead is more worth than. Last. We have to do rough work, but today we will do something different. How I am telling you. First we will read the module now, so that you will get some more better idea. Then rough work I will give you hint, then you have to do. Are you correct? Don't write anything, just take a pen or a paper, I mean to say your module, and mark it. Page number 4.18, strategic exit. Strategic exit. Strategic exits are followed when an organization substantially reduces the scope of its. Can't hear. This is done through an attempt to find out dash. Loud. And diagnose the cause of the. Next steps are taken to solve. Yes. This step results in different kinds of retrenchment strategy. If the organization chooses to focus on ways and means to reverse the process of, it adopt dash. If it cuts off loss-making unit, division, SBU will come ahead. Curtail means cut down the product or reduces the function, it adopt dash. If none of this action work, then it may choose to abandon the activities totally, resulting in. Yes. Correct. Turn around. Retrenchment may be done either internally or. Now you tell me. should we change government as per our business, or we change ourselves as per government? Will you change ICAI as per your progress report, or you will change yourself as per ICAI? So ICAI will not change the exam dates if you have not done the studies. Do improving internal efficiencies. So for internal retrenchment to take place, emphasis is laid on improving internal, known as dash. There are certain conditions or indicators which point out that turnaround is needed if the company has to. These danger signals are: first, persistent negative cash flow from one particular business. There is a continuous negative cash flow. Here you can write DOO. So you will understand minus 20 rupees. Are understood? No reply. Okay. Now, uncompetitive product. Again, you will write here DOO, just like that. Decline in market share. Earlier 100 students, 90, 80, 70, 60. My day by day share declining. Correct? Deterioration in physical. These physical facilities, they are not willing to repair also. Overstuffing, high turnover, low morale. See, how do I remember this thing? You know, employees, high, low. This high turnover, low morale, overstuffing. Are they correct? And what is the next? Loud. Mismanagement. So there is a lot of mismanagement. Yes or no? Action plan we have to do, but later, and we will be doing this from case study. So listen here. Page number 4.21. Elements of turnaround. Listen, there is the mismanagement. Loud. So what to do? Now listen, second point. Improving internal coordination. Better internal coordination. Sorry, improving internal efficiency, better internal coordination. Next, we require money, correct? Revenue generation. Asset liquidation. Asset for generating cash. Next, quick and quick. So we have done these 6 points. Yes or no? Yes or no? Very important, very important. Listen here. Divestment. Divestment strategy involves the sale or of dash. Portion is very important term. Or dash. Or dash. Unit. SBU I will explain you. Divestment is a part of dash or dash is adopted when turnaround has been attempted but proved to be. The option of turnaround may even be ignored if divestment is the only obvious answer. Correct? Major reasons for divestment. First, a business that had been acquired proved to be dash. Acquired business mismatch and cannot be integrated. Correct? Right here, listen, right here. 24 edu 7 OYO. OYO is mismatch. Next, what is the next? Persistent negative from particular business creates financial problem for. Better to divest. OYO. Are they correct? See here, third. There is a lot of competition, but inability of firm to cope with it. Not possible to do technology upgradation. Correct? A better alternative available for causing the firm to divest. Correct. Correct. Now see page number 4.22. Listen here. Characteristics of divestment. First, sell out some portion of the business, some activities. Correct. So we have written sell part of. Correct. Divestment is viewed as an integral part of corporate strategy. Full stop here. This line you can cut. Integral means main, even it is a main strategy of top level. Correct. This question already done. Major reasons for retrenchment or turnaround. Major reasons for retrenchment or, see this last 5 points. This is a divestment only. Just now we had done. The question comes this also, major reasons for retrenchment or turnaround. The answer is the reasons of divestment only. Because retrenchment, the divestment is a part of retrenchment. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now listen here. See same points. Now if you see here, liquidation, they had not given anything. So what we had done in liquidation, we had done like, listen, don't flip your page. Did I told? Just listen, be a good listener. Abandon the activity totally, that's what we had done. And done, and they are not given anywhere. So if you see it, if you check it very properly, your, don't open, just listen. Strategic exit, liquidation, and they had not mentioned anything about liquidation, only 2 lines. So what we had done, old syllabus, ICAI module, old means 1 attempt prior. In that there is a separate liquidation paragraph. From that I have taken some very important keyword and had given it to you. Correct. 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 Now listen here. Listen, very important. See here. Old material, old scheme syllabus. We want study material. Old scheme, study materials. Can you see? See here. Here you will learn 2 things. See, what is chapter number 4 name? So divestment is a part of corporate strategy. Are you getting my point? Now listen here. Now see here. Turn around. Can you see turn around? Don't see. Can you see divestment? Can you see liquidation? Here liquidation is given. See here. Most extreme, unattractive. Closing down firm, selling its asset. Last resort. Are you getting my point? Loss of employment, loss of opportunity. Then we have done from the next page. A dead is more worth than alive. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no? And even in your book, one strategy is missing. Combination. See here, if you see your module, listen here. If you see here, broad strategies, there are 4. Stability we have done, correct? I will give you hierarchy of all these things, don't worry. Growth expansion, retrenchment, combination nowhere mentioned, only one meaning mentioned. So we have to do combination. Are you getting my point? So combination we can do it from here itself. A combination. Very simple. What is combination? Mix of all above strategy. Mix of all. The above strategy are not mutually exclusive. Like none of the company, there are some companies, but like big business people, they follow mixed strategy. Like for example, Reliance Jio, they are doing expansion. Reliance Trends, now they are in stability. They want to be stable because expansion is done. Reliance Jewels, they are divesting. Example. Are you getting my point? So combination. The above strategies are not mutually. It is possible to adopt a mix of the above situation. An enterprise may seek dash in some area, dash in some area, and dash in some activities. Correct? Copy these first 3 lines for combination. Give heading combination strategy, main work, super fast. Only first 3 lines. Done? Only first 3 lines. The above strategy are not mutually exclusive. It is possible to adopt a mix of the above situation. An enterprise may seek stability in some areas, expansion in some, and retrenchment in the others. Next. Now listen here. Major reasons for combination. Very important answer. Reasons for the organization is large. See, combination is good for those companies whose organization is super large. And environment is complex. If environment is stable, we will follow which strategy? Demanding. Complex environment. Loud. So first point done. Reason, first point done. You will just write reason of combination, first point. Later. Second point. The organization is composed of different businesses like Reliance, each of which lies in different industry. Reliance Jio in telecommunication, Reliance Trends in textiles. Are you getting my point? Reliance Jewel in fashion, jewelry. Each of which lies in different industry require different response. So major reasons for combination, 2 points. Fast. Done. Very slow people. Next. Done. Yes or no? Now if you notice now what we had done, listen, if you check your question list, page number column, you have to fill it from ICA module, which material you are referring. Now listen here. Define retrenchment, done. 16, 17, 18, 19. 20 pending. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Done. Correct? Correct? Now last time, fast, super last. Take a book, pen, give heading rough work, left to right. I will be little fast. Those students who are already very slow, game over. Little fast. At the top. Now you know what to do, where to write. So don't wait for me. Retrenchment, L1, turnaround, R1, divestment, and R2, liquidation. You are very slow, very slow. And it is a rough work. You have to write little fast. First, in bracket, write the meaning of retrenchment in bracket without anyone's help. Very good. What is the meaning? Now, first just do what I am telling you. Just do what I am telling you. In turnaround, there are 2 points. Listen, giving you hint. First and second. Yes. Done? Yes or no? Improving internal efficiencies, reverse the process of decline. Now write the meaning of divestment. First point, divestment. Sell 1, 2, 3, 4. Sell 4 arrows. Come on, fast. Done. Now, sell major portion unit part of division. Correct? Part of dash and dash or dash. Part of dash or dash. Done. Rehabilitation or restructuring. Now write about liquidation. There are total, in liquidation, there are total 8 points. See how many points you can write. Most 2 arrow. Most 2 arrow. What are the 2 arrows? Extreme and unattractive. Loss 2 arrow. Loss 2 arrow. Employment opportunity. Closing down dash and dash. Closing down dash and dash. Correct? Very important. Abandon activities totally. So closing down firm and selling its asset, abandon activities totally. Then dead, related to dead. And last point is last resort. 8 points done. Correct? Now turn around that left page. Danger signal and element divided into 2. Danger and element. Danger and element. Okay. Revenge. Danger and these online people might be thinking what revenge I am talking about. Let me tell them. In Kerala, these people don't give reply very good. If we ask them 3 times, they give 1 time. That too politeness. Yes, sir. So what we do here, I do. They are very hungry always. I don't give them break, late break. So because of this, they give reply. See, you want to see demo? Listen. Done or not? No break. Loud. Loud. See, always hungry people. Now listen here. Done. Now, danger signal and element. Now, first danger signal, mismanagement. Write what I am telling you, mismanagement. And write the solution of mismanagement. What is the solution? Change in top management. Second danger signal. Listen. Persistent negative cash flow. मुझे तो लगता है मैं शायद तेरी दिल की दुआ हूँ हाँ. You know this song? I know you don't know anything. You don't know Hindi, Malayalam, SM, FM, anything. You just know. Done. Now listen here. Now we don't have money, so there are 4 solutions. Sell asset, get cash. Sell asset, get cash. Sell asset, get cash. Focus on dash. Revenue generation. Quick 2 arrows. quick payoff and cost reduction. Done? 4 points done? Okay. Now, one will get from hashtag 2 upper side. Improving coordination, that is the element. Elements done. Now, in danger signal, employee related 3 point. Employee dash dash dash. High, low, overstaffing. High turnover, low morale, overstaffing. Now listen, in my class, this projector AC, this is not working. So what to do? Deterioration in physical facilities. Decline in dash. Loud. Yes, decline in market share. One more point. Uncompetitive product. Done. Reasons for divestment. First point is common. Persistent negative cash flow. Common point, which is also there in turnaround. A, B, C, D, D, O, O. Is it matching? Mismatch. Acquired business mismatch. Cannot cope with competition. Technology upgradation required but no money, correct? And better alternative available for investment. Characteristics very simple. Sell part of and integral part of corporate strategy. Sell out some major portion division or sell part of, you can write, or integral part of corporate strategy. This is the second point. Now just for a reference, just draw this thing. So you will remember that why we are doing this thing. A, B, C, D. Draw anywhere at the top, down, bottom, anywhere, wherever you want. Done. Online people, pause the video, do it one more time, full rough work on your own, very important for online people. Now listen here. Listen, very important. Page number 4.35. Listen now, what we are doing is, we are doing that action plan for turnaround, and very important, listen here. We will be doing, like I will be showing you what to write in case study, how to write in my next video. You people understood? You are not smart. No break, no problem. Now listen here. Very important. Huh? XYZ, XYZ. No, okay. See, XYZ is facing, there is a decline in dash. So decline in market share, one danger signal. The product of company becomes dash. Persistent dash. The physical facilities are dash. Employee morale dash. Very good. You people are big dash. At the board meeting, the board members decided that they should continue the. See, here they have decided should continue. If they decide to remove that part, but they want to continue, means they want to give one more try, correct? The board has decided to hire a young executive, Shamli, for improving the functions of the organization. What corporate strategy should Shamli adopted for this company? What steps? Circle the word steps. Whenever the word comes steps, that means it is action plan. Now see here, answer. Flip the page. 4.38. How to write case study, everything I will tell later. Just we are doing this answer. So we will not do the case. Directly just underline a workable action plan for turnaround. We are doing this answer. We are not doing the case study. Case study later. Stage 1, assessment of current problems. What first we need to do? So first we will assess the current problems and we will get to the root cause of the problem. See, first we have to identify. See, you know what? This turnaround even you can apply in your studies. This turnaround even you can apply in your career. See, there are 2 or 3 options for you people. Example. A, B, C, D. D is CA. CA enter. You are not doing good. Performance is not good. First option. Improve internal efficiencies. Turn around. Second option. Cut CA from your career. Divest. Third option. Stop studying everything. Do job. Not understood? Are you getting my point? How you can bring turnaround? First point. Assessment of current problems. Assess the current problems. Assessment means, you know what? Assessment means your strong point, your weak point, how much you have completed one particular subject, how much you have not done, how much coaching is needed, which concepts are lacking. Assess your current problems. Assess it. Are you working or not working? Are you doing like any part-time job somewhere? Are you having any college or like example plus like some university exams or etc. So first we have to assess for 2 months from here till next 2 months, what are your problems in or what are your block dates in which you are not available. Assessment of current problems. Here I am talking about company point of view. First assess the current problem of the company, get to the root cause and how much it is damaged. First identify that. That is a thumb rule. I am just telling, I will not tell the student name. Yesterday I got one call, a boy from this class called me. Very much tensed, very much tensed. I told, you talk me after class today or tomorrow. He told, no sir, now I want to talk. I talked. So first we assessed the problem. 1 hour he took, 1 hour. Every small minute things we understood. Now we are having the problems. First he was aware like problem is only this much. He thought like that. Problem was this much. He thought solution will be so many. Solution is only this much. Reverse. Assess the current problems. Second, analyze the situation and develop a strategic plan. Now analyze your current situation, your business current situation, and develop a strategic plan. Develop a strategic plan with specific goals, what you will do day to day. Goals are day to day. And detail functional action. Start action. Don't just talk, chit chat. After that, implementing an emergency action plan. Now what we will do? We will implement the action plan. What we will do? No reply. Okay. Yes. If an organization is in critical stage, an appropriate action plan is needed. Otherwise, attempt to stop the bleeding and enable the organization to survive. Fourth, restructuring the business. If your core business, like say for example, my core business is teaching. If my teaching is stopped, then I will not able to invest money in other business because I am getting money from teaching and I am investing in other business. So if my core is damaged, main core is damaged, then your bleak organization may not able to survive. And fifth point, returning to normal. Why it is written returning to normal? Fifth point, reverse the process of decline. Turnaround strategy. The organization should begin to show sign of profit, return on investment, enhancing economic value added. Very important answer. Now I'm giving you a small case. Listen. You know Kingfisher Airlines? I have told this case earlier also. Just listen here. Kingfisher Airlines, once upon a time, he was ruling the market. He was spending lot of money. What happened, you know, like every youngster during our time wants to go to Kingfisher Airlines. Why? Beautiful air hostess. Yes. He was spending lot of money in the salary of air hostess. Persistent negative cash flow. Now listen. He tried turnaround, but doesn't work. Divest, liquidate. What Air India done now? Air India was also making loss, but Air India have successfully applied turnaround. First, they have changed the management. So decision making is changed. Like for example, I am just giving an example. You gave one attempt, you failed. Because of your decision. Your decision means you decided what to study, how much to study. You made your own timetables every time. Second, you give again your attempt. Again with your decision, your mindset. Sir, now I will study like this. Failed. Now in third, if you want to pass, change decision makers. Not understood? Decision making is changed. Change in top management. Air India done like that way. Then what Air India done? Kingfisher Airlines was having air hostess between the age group 21 to 27, all models. Air India, after 27, that air hostess was having, fear, what we will do in market now. Air India started hiring Kingfisher Airlines air hostess, but after 27. Like for example, Kingfisher was giving 2 lakh rupees to one air hostess. Air India giving 70,000 rupees to air hostess after age of 27. And they are hiring only after 27, 28. So their cost 50% reduced. Second, in that 50% cost reduction, they started giving food to people. So people has a choice. Air India will get food also. Kingfisher, no food. So there are many things. Many things. And if I am joining Air India, so I know that they are hiring from 27 also till 37. If I am 21 young, I can join Air India. I can be feeling secure that 20 years my job is secure. Employee morale high. So no low turnover, no overstaffing, only limited staff. This all done by management. Management is very important. Are you getting my point? So this answer, see again, what is the first point? Assessment of current problems. Analyze the situation and develop a strategic plan. Then implementing an emergency action plan, restructuring the business and returning to normal. This we have done from case study as a question answer. Case study is pending. Consider like that. Are you getting my point? Now if you see your entire set C done. From set C, now if you see here, See here, set A fully done, set B fully done, set C fully done. Now what do you think? Will single question will not come from this ABC? Think like that. One question will come. Consider 5 marks. Out of 50, 5 is 10%. Your 10% of marks is in your hand by doing set A, B, C very thoroughly. Set D very easy, very easy. Set C, E automatically done. The reason is if we have learnt everything from inside, so case study is automatically done. I will show you, but I will show you the cream of the chapter is pending. Are you getting my point? Loud. Done. So done, guys.